It happened to oats, it happened to ragi, it happened to makhana. And now it is happening to a beloved Korean food. Black, crispy, paper thin, it's been a quite constant on Korean dining tables for generations. But now, as social media and influencers drive opinions and prices, the humble sheet of dried seaweed is fast becoming a luxury. Gim, South Korea's everyday snack, is riding a global popularity wave. And for locals, that wave is hitting their wallets. It has been described as a crunchy, light, healthy snack that pops like a chips by foreigners, but for Koreans it is a staple. Reports suggest sellers in South Korean marketplaces are surprised. Of course, they are. Why wouldn't they be? I am from Jharkhand and it surprised me when I realized they are now packing up makhana in small packets, labeling it as fox nuts and selling it for dollars to consumers in India and abroad. European and American tourists have been thronging Korea in recent years. It is a clear element of Hallyu or the Korean wave. For many, it is cultural appropriation. For others, it is respect. For the South Korean government, it is a great economic opportunity. In 2025, South Korean exports of gim hit a record of $1 billion. The nation is now the world's largest exporter of dried seaweed. And as the Korean wave takes over, demand has surged. Korean seaweed is exported across continents, from India and Americas to Australia and Europe. Many have started calling gim the black semiconductor. And if prices are any clue, these people are petty on the money. In 2025, reports suggest a sheet of gim cost about 100 won. Since then, prices have gone up by around 50%, with premium versions going as much as 350 won. Even as the Korean wave drives up demand among young consumers, the basic economics remain. Inflation and rising labor costs continue to drive up prices. While inflation has slowed down in recent years, the World Bank reports 2.3% annual consumer price inflation in 2024. The demand boom has pushed South Korea's gim industry to its limits. As prices surge, the government has had to step in and monitor. Investments are being made into year-long seaweed farming, adding pressure to an already delicate ecology. Gim is a symbol of South Korea's global win, but it is coming at a clear cost to the South Koreans who grew up on it.